A lot of your routines should be actually given out by your front desk. Let's look at what your pre-appointment, your during appointment, your post-appointment should be. Pre-appointment, you should send commitments. Remember, the front desk is supposed to do this because we don't want to just send out reminders and not get no feedback, and we don't know, and we just booking based on hope. When a person has an appointment that's scheduled, we send out a commitment. Say, hey, are you coming? During the appointment, we're actually going to become a value doctor. That labor, that barber, that beauty professional, you're actually going to be able to look at your clients and diagnose if there are problems that they don't know that they have. And if you can diagnose problems that they don't know that they have, then you can make it very important to them for them to get it fixed. And then satisfactory follow-up. You want to know if a person is satisfied with your business, with their experience. This is key for you being able to grow in the future. If you don't do any follow-ups, then you can't grow up. That's just the fact about business.